Hello, Grateful Gang. Welcome to Shortsmas. I'm back again, but today I'll be sharing something that came in from my Black Friday order. Bam! I can't show you the front, but bam! I got myself a 10-inch Cavalier bracket lamp. Y'all know if you watch my vlog that one of my lamps, my arm extender that holds my top-down video, it broke it. So it broke, and I took the opportunity during Black Friday to buy me a new one. Okay, we used our Capital One rewards. So let me get this open and we'll take a look at what that looks like. It looks very much, at least the base does, like the one I already have. Sort of. This actually feels a little more sturdy. So let me fet it up and let's go. This is my old one that's broken. As you can see, the screw's gone. It's having a hard time. Something else fell off of the bottom here. Oh, see that part? It's been struggling, but I'm gonna hold on to this part because I think this part I can reuse. Thank you for your service. Okay, this is everything that comes with it. A phone bracket holder, something that you can take your own Bluetooth pictures, the plug that's attached to the, I believe this is a 10-inch light, and the base, and also the bracket that hooks on to wherever you plan on putting it, which I kind of know how this works. So let me go ahead and work on putting this together. It does come with an Allen wrench. I'm not sure why I need some kind of wrench thing. And it also comes with a lifetime warranty. We love that. And instructions. Let me check that out and I'll put it together. First, you have to get the clamp and then just unscrew it a little bit and then tighten it with that little metal piece at the bottom. You're going to unscrew the side piece to allow for the arm to go in. I didn't get my arm all the way down, but I did like the next day. I just secured it the best I could at that time. So you'll see there's a little gap in it. I'm not sure you see that at all, but there's not really supposed to be. It came with a single phone holder that moves up and down, and it can be landscape or portrait. I've used it in both, so it's been great. And then the lamp has its own phone holder as well. I didn't realize that it came with two separate phone holders, and I think that's what I was trying to show you guys there. It's very easy to turn that on, and you can see how you'd be able to do portrait and landscape. At first, I was having an issue with like getting my phone in there, but then I realized that it pops up and out a little bit. I'll show you that in the next clip. Bear with me, I'm doing this with one hand. So you can see it clips into horizontal or vertical mode, depending on which way you want to put your phone. But I didn't realize that it did this as well. Like it almost goes in like a 180 to where you can move it under the light or you can move it above the light. So that was a cool little feature, and it did help for my phone to fit a little bit better. This spot. So this is what the remote looks like. We've got an on and off button, and then we've got a lower light, up light. I don't know what that means, so we'll try it. Lowering of the light. Let me turn off one of the big lights so it's more obvious. The light lowers and brightens in 10% increments from 0 to 100. Off. On. Lower light. Brighter light, and then this goes from a warm light to a blue light to a natural light, and it has those 3 light settings. They're very beautiful. Okay, that's really cool. Of course, if you don't want to plug it into your laptop, you can plug it into a block and then plug it into the wall. I love it. It seems super sturdy. Let me show you. Okay guys, so I'm going to stop the video right now, and I'm actually going to put the phone in this holder to see what it looks like from the holder. But let me show you really quickly what directions it can be turned while in the holder before I do it. So you can have it this way so that you have a portrait video. Your phone will go up and down. You can turn it that way so you can have a landscape video so your phone can go this way. With this one, you just turn, oh, it's gonna be bright, sorry y'all. You're gonna turn it this way and have a portrait video facing you if you need the light to hit you. And you're gonna turn it this way if you want a, I'm sorry, that was a landscape. This way if you want a portrait video facing you. So yeah, I love it. And this is entirely too bright. I do love all the settings that it has. That seems a little more cooler. And then you can always turn it up and down from there. But I'm going to set my phone in it and show you the video and see what happens. And then will be the end of this Shortsmas video. Okay, guys, so this is me in the front facing camera. It's weird because I had to take my phone out of the case in order for it to fit right in there, which I don't love, but I'm usually batch filming anyway. And then I had to turn it a certain way because it'll touch all the buttons on the side of my particular phone. So that's happening. This is like the cooler setting down a little bit because it was getting kind of bright. And this is me, the bluish light and the cooler light, a little bit more warmer. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit better with the camera on me. But I do like the different looks you can get with it, and it does light me up really well. Let me flip it upside down so I can show you what it looks like as a top down video. So this Shortsmas video may be a tad bit longer, but I figured you want to know all the things about it. This is me long ways, which y'all will probably see kind of weirdly in there, but that worked okay. It almost feels like my phone is too big for this in a little bit, but okay guys. This is what it looks like on a top-down video, me moving it around, trying to get the right angle, the right shot. And this is the front-facing camera. No, this is the back-facing camera that you're seeing, so I can see the photo from the top above you. And you're seeing the down-facing camera. I believe that's what I'm doing. But, yeah, y'all, so this is good. I think I just have to figure out how to work it with my particular phone. Yep, so that was this video for Shortsmas, y'all. I hope it was informative. The link to this desk clamp light situation will be linked down below. Don't forget, it also comes with a picture taker, Bluetooth picture taker, so you can take pictures on your own without any help. But I'm interested. I'm excited to start playing with it. It's definitely a lot different than I don't even know what the camera is anymore. It's definitely a lot different than my old one. I feel like it's a bit of an upgrade. Look at us in the mirror. All right, guys. I will talk to you guys later. Happy Shortsmas. Bye.